Good day everyone, I am Lorlyn J. Canoto and today I will be discussing the different movement concepts. So Stanley 1977 and Logsdon and the colleagues 1984 identified the four major movement concepts. First, S-body, representing the instrument of the action. Second, space, where the body is moving. Third, effort, the quality with which the movement is executed. And lastly is the relationships, the connections that occur as the body moves with objects. Movement concepts are the ideas used to modify or enrich the range and effectiveness of skill employment. Our primary goal then is to provide children with a degree of competence leading to the confidence that encourage them to try and enjoy a variety of activities and sport. And now let us first tackle the body awareness. So body awareness is how conscious and connected you are to your own body. It's also known as kinesthesia, or the awareness of the position and movement of body parts in relation to muscles and joints. So in short, it's how you recognize where your body is in space. So there are four categories in body awareness. First is the body parts, consist of head, ear, eye, nose, ear, mouth, neck, shoulder, arms, hands, stomach, back, elbow, buttocks, leg, knee, foot, and heel. Second is body shapes. So narrow, wide, twisted, symmetrical. So symmetrical movements are when both hands and feet are performing the same motion. Examples include clapping, pull apart toys, and jumping. Both sides of the body are working together to perform the same motion. An asymmetrical shape is any shape that the body makes, which, if divided down the middle with an imaginary line, would show that each side of the body is different from the other side. Third is the action of body parts. It includes the kind of roles of the body segment can play in a movement. An example is the volleyball player waiting to receive the ball. And the final category is the actions of the whole body, which are movements or activities performed by the entire person. So there are subcategories, which are non-locomotor, locomotor, and manipulative. So non-locomotor skills include movement, any movement that does not travel but uses the available space in any direction or movement organized around the axis of the body. The example is bending, twisting, stretching, and swinging are examples of actual movement, non-locomotor movement. Second is the locomotor movement skills are those in which the body is moved in one direction or a combination of directions from one point to another. Activities such as walking, jogging, moving forwards, backwards, side shuffling, skipping, running, jumping, hopping, and leaping are considered fundamental locomotion movements. And the last one is the manipulative actions of the whole body are those actions which requires the person to control the force and effort she or he executing or giving. So, all in all, body awareness is important for children to learn to motor plan and coordinate their body parts through space and around objects in their environment. So children with poor body awareness often appear uncoordinated or clumsy because they do not know where their body parts are. And now, let us proceed to the second movement concept, which is space. So it is an important concept in movement education. Teaching students about space in terms of movement education involves teaching directions, such as up and down, left and right. So it has three categories. First, the location. Second, direction, and last is the level. So first is the location. It is your subspace or general space, and direction is where you're heading to while performing the movements. And last is the level, is how high or low you are while performing the movement. So having spatial awareness can inform you of how people and objects move through the environment. This can help you navigate your surroundings